going on, people? OG back on the screen. Now drop a like. It's been a minute since I did a video like this. Hand cam IRL, how to dribble IRL. This is not like a cheese tutorial. This isn't to get you some cheese, and I'm gonna do more of these to help people out, right? So first off, this is a special requested video from my boy. He knows who he is. All right. Now, the 610. We know that dribbling. First off, we have these adrenaline bars, right? We got the adrenaline bars, okay, and that already controls our dribbling on top of the stamina bar. So I'm gonna dunk, let everything refresh, and we're gonna start working on some simple speed boosting. Okay, how do you do this? Because a lot of people, they'll just come and spam their sticks. You just, that's not how video games supposed to be played. Video games, you know, you play it a certain way, right? So to do the first one, this turbo button, we're gonna hold on that turbo button, right? So let's say if I want to cross over to the left hand side, right? We're gonna flick this right stick like just like that. We're gonna do that, but this is the direction, right? We're gonna be using this to direct ourselves towards this way, okay? So it's all in the same motion. So watch. I'm gonna flip like this. Boom. You see we do that little crossover. Back to this side. Boom. Speed boost to this side. So I just want you guys practicing this real quick. Flicking it one time, and then the key is to let the animation finish. You see how the ball finished, and then I get that little ugly looking speed boost right there. But that's gonna help you learn to like let it finish, because if you don't let it finish, you'll get the little behind the back move sometimes like that. All right, if you do not let it finish. Okay, so just get here. This is for beginners, because a lot of people struggle with just having their dribble moves. Once you learn the basics, the fundamentals, you get that down pat, everything else is going to start sinking in. You'll have more moves on the fly. So look, boom, boom, right? See, if you do it too fast, it does that behind the back, right? But if you cross, swoom, cross, right? Do it too fast, that's the behind the back. Boom, right there. Hit that crossover. Boom, speed boost. You see it? So you're holding on to the turbo button, that's the back button. This, remember, the right stick is just so you can do a move. This is the dribble stick move. But ultimately, this left stick is the direction. So that diagonally going away, right? You see how when you're even doing diagonal, you see how the left hand, the ball in the left hand is moving? Just play with it like that. Sometimes do a little practice, thumb stick skill maneuvers just like this. Just practicing like that so you're used to it, right? Dunk it. Let me dunk again, get all my drop. Just get it back. Again. Boom. See that? Speed boost. Boom. Speed boost. Boom. Speed boost. Boom. Speed boost. Okay? Now, that's one way to speed boost. I'm going to teach you guys another way how to speed boost with the 610 builds. Now, they had this new thing in the game, the blowout dribble. I'm going to show you guys it real quick. Boom. Right there. You see we get a small animation. You'll get faster animations depending where you're at. If you're coming up at like half court, you'll see a lot of people use it. But some people don't know that you can use it along the 3-point line as well. So let's say if I'm here on the 3-point line, you're just going to tap this trigger button, right? One time. Right? Hold on, let's do it. I'm running out of adrenals. Boom, there we go. You see? And you could just speed boost, just tapping it one time. But it's a certain angle you have to get on. You have to get your player on. Let me do it again. Get these adrenaline bars back. Now, we got our adrenaline bars back again. Now, let me show you guys it in detail, all right? This turbo button, remember, this is the main trigger to activate this, but it's about gaining momentum first. Gain a little momentum. Boom. See that? Speed boost. You could come around and dunk the ball. If you're a slasher, you can't do too much. It's about getting on an angle, though. So you have to watch how your player is, right? You see how I'm running like diagonally? Let's do it again. Boom. You see that? He's going to do like a little hesitation. You could come around. Boom. But people don't know that you can do that small little animation with the blowout dribble. Different builds, it looks faster. You're going to get a different animation depending on what dribble style you're using as well. All those things are definitely key and very important to pay attention to. This is a 610, so I'm showing you ways how to move. Look, showing you ways how to move a little faster. You're just tapping this trigger button. But the key to get it to work properly for you, where you're not turning over the ball, is going on an angle. You can even do it the same way like this. Okay, next with the 610. I always tell people the diagonal moves are better to create space with a 610. So diagonally going like this, right? But we're going to use turbo, okay? And we're going to move ourselves with this analog stick as well at the same time. But ultimately we're going like this, so the hand motion is going to be like this, right? See how my guy's already turning away when I'm doing it? Hand motion is like this, thumb motion like this. All right, it's gonna feel a little weird if you're fresh and new, because this is for beginners. Once again, it's gonna feel a little weird, but let's watch when we dribble and do that same motion. Like, let's say a defender's in front of me and I'm dribbling away from him going to the left, and I do that. So here's ways to escape with the 610 and build up more momentum, right? Oh my God, here we go. Here's a way to build up more momentum with the 610s, all right? Just gonna be dribbling away, right, and flicking this right analog stick diagonally away. Boom, you see how I size up like this? Come back and forth. Again, right here. Boom, right? Boom. Diagonally down, right, to the left and to the right. So just practice that. Even when you get tired, do the move. Trust me, I like that because it slows it down for people. You can see. Let me hold it up a little closer so you guys can see in the cam. Boom, diagonally down. You're getting that little hesitation. You can do so much out of that. Look, I can spin out of that. Oh, you see that? Y'all see how I do all my, like, yeah, you know what I mean? And the spin is just spinning it around, right? Wherever hand the ball's in. Spinning it around. Wherever hand the ball in. Y'all know I'm famous for the spins, but I do my spins, like, realistically. It depends on what the defender's actually giving me. I just don't go out there spamming moves. So when I'm showing you guys to do the moves just simply in here in my career, depending on in the my court, depending on in game, you will see what the defender's giving you, okay? So I showed y'all those two moves, right? Now to do simple snatch moves, right? Hesitation moves, you see how I'm doing this, right? Boom, you just diagonal down without moving this stick. Without moving this stick, it's just going to give you these hesitation moves with the KD. And y'all see how I get people with these all the time, and then I'll do the little pull-up right there. Easy. Easy money. So just come to the top of the key and practice these moves. Because right here, you can create so much space just off of that alone. So much space off of this move just alone. So much space. Left, right, and you're flicking diagonally down, all right? Not straight down. If you flick straight down, this is what's going to happen. Boom, you're going to do the snatch back, okay? And this light snatch back is good too. I tell people to use this because you can left stick cross right there, bring it back, left stick cross again, bring it back, left stick cross again. This is what people do a lot. A little cheese move right here people do a lot just to get themselves fast. And I'm going to show you guys that as well, right? So you just hold this and flick down at the same time. Boom, and then flick the left stick over, right? I said left stick over, right? Do it again. Flick it down. That's when you hold the whole way. When you hold and push back like this. Hold on, let me see. Okay. When you want to do a straight, just snatch back and escape move, just flick it back without holding the turbo. You hold turbo, you're going to get this snatch move. It's that simple, but so much people could just be so in the moment, they're holding on turbo, you're not getting the right crossover moves you need to do. You just want to do a simple escape, just flick back on your right analog stick without holding this turbo button. Okay, get used to just being able to control at your will, because you'll be just like this. Like, people will be like this, you know, and just like not doing the right moves that they need to do. Okay, so one time snatch holding turbo, you'll do that snatch move. Boom, boom, you'll go through each leg, right? When you flick back, you still guys see the animation. Flick back. All right, look, I hold on turbo, snatch, snatch. Okay, let me see. Now, get this stamina back up. Get this stamina back up. Now, and there's cases where I'm always doing spins to throw defenders off, because how 2K has programmed their game now, it's like when a defender makes the wrong move and they try to reach on you, a spin is so fast it just creates so much space away from them, no matter what build you are, right? I'll just go towards my defender. Let's say I do a little crossover move like this, go towards my defender and spin like right, boom, in the court right here. Or we can't really do it because we don't have a full court to show. Let me see. Let me see if I can run and kind of do it. Let me see. Start back from here. And I'm going to run up this way and see if I can do it. It's so weird with 2K how they do it. There we go. Boom. I'll do a spin like that in the paint. All right. So let me come back and show you guys. Let me show you guys. We gotta hold on. Let me do dribble back. So we're gonna start wide. I'll say to practice them in here, start wide. So just come right here, right? And you're gonna do a spin. Boom. See how I spent it, right? You guys want to slow it down so you can look at the motion, but you want to start the spin right here at the top of the key, like on the elbow. Right when you get to the little elbow, like right here on the 3-point line, that's when you want to do the circular motion, inside or outside, whatever the defender is giving you. Like, I can't just do that for you. You guys have to learn how to do that yourselves within game. But if the defender's on that side, he's biting on that side, boom, I spin to this side, right? Like, that's if he's biting on the inside, right? And if he was biting, let's say if he was biting, my turbo's down, let me stamina get back up. Let's say if he was biting towards this side over here, right? And I'm like, damn, he's on that side, right? And I'm coming with the spin, the ball's in his hand. Boom, then we spin to this inside. You see? Same thing. So you can spin either way. Just gotta watch whatever the defender is giving you. Okay? Boom, I can spin that way. Alright, we're tired so I can show, but it's the same concept.
Hey, this is my season 4 beginner tutorial just to give you guys a couple of dribble exercises. Practice everything I showed you right there, and we're going to get into deeper detail on another video with another hand cam showing you guys the other fleek IRL movement that you guys see me doing. It's hard to explain that type of movement. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Alright, also follow me on social medias if you need any badge grind service or just want to follow me on social media. They're right there at the bottom. Hit the like, please show support on this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.